Foundational literacy and numeracy, an urgent and necessary prerequisite to learning. Attaining foundational literacy and numeracy for all children is the need of an urgent national attention. The very highest priority of the education system is to achieve universal foundational literacy and numeracy in primary school and beyond by 2025. Measures to be taken are: first, all state and union territory governments will immediately prepare an implementational plan for attaining universal foundational literacy and numeracy in all primary and middle schools, identifying stage-wise targets and goals to be achieved by 2025 and closely tracking and monitoring progress of the same. Teacher vacancies will be filled as soon as possible in a time-bound manner, especially in disadvantaged areas and areas with large pupil to teacher ratios or high rates of illiteracy, with special attention given to employing local teachers and female teachers. At least one teacher per class or grade and a pupil teacher ratio (PTR) of under 30 is to 1 will be ensured at the level of each school. Socio-economically disadvantaged areas will aim for a PTR of under 25 is to 1 ratio. Teachers will be trained, encouraged, and supported with continuous professional development for the purpose to impart foundational literacy and numeracy to students who have fallen behind. On the curricular side, it will be extremely vital to introduce an increased focus on foundational literacy and numeracy, and generally on reading, writing, speaking, counting, arithmetic, and mathematical thinking throughout the primary school curriculum. The dedication of specific hours daily and regular events over the year to activities involving these subjects will be implemented to encourage and excite students to pursue these areas. Teacher education and the early grade school curriculum will be redesigned to have a renewed emphasis on foundational literacy and numeracy. A national repository of high quality resources on foundational literacy and numeracy will be made available on the National Teachers Portal. Technological interventions to serve as aids to teachers will be piloted and implemented, and public and school libraries expanded to build a culture of reading and communication. Digital libraries will also be encouraged to be set up in all public and school libraries. Due to the scale of the current learning crisis, all viable methods will be explored to support teachers in this all important mission. Studies around the world show one on one peer tutoring to be extremely effective for learning, not just for the learner but also for the tutor. Thus, peer tutoring can be taken up as a voluntary and joyful activity for fellow students under the supervision of trained teachers and by taking due care of safety aspects. Third, it will be made far easier for trained volunteers from both the local community and beyond to participate in this large scale mission of the schooling system. Trained and qualified social workers from civil society organizations or departments of social justices and empowerment could be connected to the schools through various innovative mechanisms to be adopted by state and union territory governments. If every literate member of the community could commit to teaching one student or person how to read, it would change the country's landscape very quickly. This mission will be highly encouraged and supported. States may consider establishing innovative models to foster such peer tutoring and volunteer activities, as well as launch other programs to support teachers in this urgent mission to promote foundational literacy and numeracy during this learning crisis. As at the current time, with lack of universal access to ECCE, a large proportion of children fall behind already within the first few weeks of grade 1. An interim 3-month play based school preparation module for all grade 1 students. consisting of activities and workbooks around the learning of alphabets, sounds, words, colors, shapes, and numbers, and involving collaboration with peers and parents, will be developed by NCERT and SCERTs in order to ensure that all children are school ready. Children are unable to learn optimally when they are undernourished or unwell. Hence, the nutrition and health, including mental health, of children will be addressed through healthy meals and the introduction of well trained social workers, counselors, and community involvement into the schooling system, as as well as through various continuing measures for addressing poverty that may lie beyond the education system. All school children shall undergo regular health checkups organized by the schools, and for this, health cards will be issued to them. Research shows that the hours of the morning after a nutritious breakfast can be particularly productive for the study of subjects that are cognitively more demanding. These hours may be leveraged by providing a simple but energizing breakfast in addition to midday meals. Expenditure on meals will be linked to food costs and inflation in order to ensure the quality of food served and its nutritional content.